Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet. What do these incredible companies all have in common? They've all surpassed the $1 trillion market capitalization milestone. Now in this video, I'm going to highlight one other incredible company that could surpass that milestone in the next several years. So let's get right into it with the company that I think could join Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Alphabet in the $1 trillion market cap, and that is Tesla, the electric vehicle innovative pioneer Tesla. It already boasts a market cap of 863 billion, and at one point it had passed the $1 trillion market cap. So it's not a matter of Tesla reaching it for the first time. It's a matter of reaching it again after it did hit that milestone around January of 2022. Here's why I think it could reach it, and one reason why I think it will have a bit of a difficulty reaching it. So first with the difficulty, and that is the valuation. In my opinion, Tesla stock is a bit expensive when you're measuring by the forward price to earnings. It's trading at a forward PE of 53.4, and I think for a car manufacturer and seller, which is primarily what I think Tesla is right now, I think that's expensive. You can compare that to other car manufacturer sellers, and Tesla will be on the more expensive side of nearly every car manufacturer and seller you compare it to. Tesla is one of the more expensive ones in the market today. So I think that will kind of limit the growth, right? The market cap growth. It will kind of grow more slowly because of the valuation. It'll take more time until Tesla, I mean, the company's growing very quickly, right? Revenue and earnings, if they continue growing, that could lift the company higher, right? But as far as the multiple increasing, I don't think that will increase as much, but I think the earnings of the company will grow over the next several years, and I think that earnings growth will be what drives Tesla's market cap to over $1 trillion. So that was the challenge. That's the headwind, the expensive valuation, the rich valuation for Tesla stock is the thing that's going to slow it down from continued market cap growth. But the thing that's going to push it higher is its performance. I mean, what I have here is a chart of its revenue and operating profit margin. And look at the revenue growth from less than around $1 billion in revenue in 2014, exploding to $86 billion in revenue in the trailing 12 months, with most of that growth coming after 2020. In 2020, it had 24 billion in revenue, and in the last 2.5 years, that has exploded to 86 billion in revenue. But more impressively is that as its revenue has grown, its operating profit margin has expanded along with it. There's a lot of companies in the market today that are growing revenue quicker than Tesla, more at a higher rate, a growth rate than Tesla. But there are fewer companies that are demonstrating the simultaneous growth in operating profitability the way Tesla is. So I think that's going to be the key driver for Tesla's growth to surpass that $1 trillion market cap. Now I think it will take some time because, like I mentioned, the expensive valuation for the stock. But the flip side is the earnings growth, the revenue growth. That's what will drive Tesla's stock valuation higher. If it can continue growing its earnings and revenue, that will drive the market capitalization higher. Now I say if because it's not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed that Tesla's earnings will grow over the next year or two or three. It's facing a lot of competition. The legacy automakers are really ramping up production, and the newer EV car makers are also ramping up production. So it's not guaranteed that Tesla will continue increasing its revenue and profitability the way it has been, but it's already proven that it can do it. It's already proven that it can do it. So for all those reasons, I think Tesla will be one of the next few companies to surpass the $1 trillion market cap milestone. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.